Welcome! Today we'll take a look. The Revosens, an innovative rotary sensor with an LCD display, remote control, Wi-Fi and radio frequency, compatible with voice assistants like Google or Alexa. In this video we'll see how to install it. Step by step, the elements for our installation. A Revosens sensor that includes a touchscreen, an IoT Wi-Fi controller, as well as a converter, a CCT strip with two temperatures, warm and cool, a cable, an RF radio frequency transmitter, either touch or remote control. And also, let's not forget our home Wi-Fi network to connect to Google or Alexa. We're going to install the Revosens touchscreen. On one side, we have the touchscreen. On the other, we have the controller and the Wi-Fi. Just a reminder, this has a little cable that connects to the Wi-Fi, alright? I've got it hidden. Underneath the two little cables coming out of the controller, we're going to connect them to the converter in one of its 6 outputs, 1 and 2, and it would be connected. Finally, for now, it's the CCT strip and the cable we're going to need to connect the CCT strip. With one of the 5 outputs the controller has, we're going to connect it to any of its 5 outputs. The installation's now done. All we need to do is press the touchscreen and it will turn on. Let's take a closer look at the touchscreen. When you turn on the touchscreen, you need to look for your preferred language. To do this, on the rotary screen, we'll turn the display until we find Language, where we'll give a short press to select the language we want. For example, English, Italian, Spanish. A single press and the language will now appear in Spanish. Let's keep looking at more options. If we keep rotating, we'll see lights on off. If we give it a press, we'll turn it off. If we press again, we'll turn it on. If we continue, the dimmer will appear. The dimmer is for increasing or decreasing the brightness. If we give it a press, we can increase the brightness of the light, or decrease the brightness of a light. If we exit again, we'll go back out to the main menu. Let's keep rotating. The kelvins, if we give it a press, it will let us switch from blue or cool light to a warmer, more yellowish light. If we press it again, we'll exit back out. If we rotate it again, scenes will appear. What do the scenes allow us to do? Well, if we press on them, you'll see scenes with warmer light, scenes with the light at higher intensity, and so on. Now let's add to our Revosens touchscreen installation a radio frequency transmitter, a touch device, or what would be a remote control. How would we do this? First, on the transmitter, make sure it's in the on position and that we've previously charged it. The battery. Once that's done, we'll press the link button on the receiver, which is already connected to our Revosens, giving 2 short presses of 1 second each, one after the other. Straight after, we'll give a short press on button A of the transmitter. Let's do it. 1, 2. The blue light comes on, you can see it blink, and then straight after, press button A. 1 press, the light blinks, and it's now paired. That's right, the light and the screen will turn on. If we switch it to off, both the strip and the screen will turn off. Then, from here, we can control and turn on the light. We can even turn off the light from here. It's already paired. See ya in the next videos. See you soon.